Right here with Thread and Maple, and this is my needle binder. I've had this binder since 2023. So in today's video, I'd like to take you along with me as I give my needle binder a little TLC using the Thread and Maple leather care kit. So in your leather care kit, you are going to find a tin of saddle soap, Otter Wax leather salve. You'll get a microfiber cloth. You'll get an extra buffing pad. You're also going to find this care kit guide with the instructions written out for you. So the only thing that you're going to need is a small dish of water. So I'm going to start by removing everything from my binder, including the pages. Okay, now that that's done, we're going to take our microfiber cloth and the dish of water and your saddle soap. And we'll start by just getting the cloth a little bit wet in the water, and we're going to rub over the soap just to create a light lather. And now we're going to take the cloth and just rub that over the binder. Okay, now I've got everything wiped down with the saddle soap, and honestly, it already looks a lot better. So now you just want to let this dry. The instructions do say for a few hours or overnight. You just want to wait for it to look dry, which doesn't take very long, and then you can go ahead on to the next step. So the next step is optional. It is using the Otter Wax, and that's going to really give it the shine of the leather. But if you really like the sort of patina look that occurs with leather, which a lot of people say that's one of the beauties of it, the more you use it, the more beautiful it gets, you can just stop here and you're good to go. Already, I think it already looks a lot better. So that's really up to you. And at the end, I'm going to show you, I did 2 pages, one with the wax, one without, so you can see kind of the difference and decide which one works best for you. So I'm going to show you how to apply the wax now. You're using the same microfiber cloth, and you're just going to rub in the center of that wax. You want to get it kind of smooth and warmed up a little bit. Once again, we're just going to apply a smooth, even coat. And just like that, the binder looks amazing. So just to give you a comparison, I do have 2 pages here that I wanted to show you. For these 2 pages, the one over here on the left, I used the wax, and over here on the right, I did not use the wax, so just the saddle soap. But what I see, this one looks nice and shiny, and this one is just a lot softer looking, more of a matte, and I can see more of that patina look in there, and it's absolutely beautiful. So again, if you don't want to use the wax, you really like the patina look, absolutely a great choice. This looks lovely. And now I've got everything back together, and she really looks a lot better. Just a reminder though, you don't have to go through this whole process. Anytime you see a little scuff, just take the buffer pad and you can spruce up any little spots that you might see. But after 3 years of use, my binder really looks amazing, and I would say that the leather repair kit is definitely worth it. So I hope that this helps, and again, if you have any questions, please let us know in the comments.